Hi guys, hey, I wanted to do a video about this cool looking kit. It's a 69 Dodge Charger, funny car. I'm entering a group build from Model Car Guy. He's got a Dragster group build going, and I picked this up at Ollie's, and man, this thing is freaking cool. I mean, just the motor alone, holy Toledo, that looks really cool. All kinds of parts, and of course I can't separate the pages. There they go. Get the chassis, the roll cage, motor. It's windy, so wheel assembly, body assembly, and the decals. Pretty cool. That'd be a hell of a fun build. Got the funny car long body. I'm going to metal flake it because it's got a big run, like a color run in the plastic. Probably hear my cat in the background. She's being mouthy. Got red line tires. Nice wheels. It's got Krager kind of mags. Got like 3 or 4 different choices of wheels, which is pretty cool. All kinds of cool chrome. Oh, and you got your glass parts. Very nice. These are your cockpit and motor parts, seat, firewall, body metal, inner metal structure, and then you got your motor stuff. Very cool. This can be a fun one to build. Really shouldn't be taking on another build right now, but oh well. I'm a glutton for punishment or something. I'm not gonna cut. I don't have the. I thought I cut the decals open, but I guess I didn't. Shoot. Anyway, that's what the decals look like. So it's got flames, so pretty neat looking. It's got decals or stickers actually. Pretty cool. But yeah guys, so here's a cool picture of the motor, the back with the parachute, and then the overall build with the prop open, you know, the body prop, which I'll probably do that if it'll fit in my display cases I got. I want to do it that way, but very cool. So anyway guys, well, just wanted to do a quick video with that unboxing, and tell you guys I was joining Model Car Guy's Dragster group build, so looks like it's definitely gonna be a fun one. And I haven't built a Dragster car. Okay, this is dating myself back. This was back when probably late 80s, early 90s, of Don Prudhomme's Swamp Rat Dragster. So that's been a while, but wow. So anyway, alright guys, hey, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Glad you found it, and stay tuned for more cool stuff coming up. More model stuff, and definitely more RC stuff. So thanks guys, take care, bye.